everybody, and welcome back to TMC Natural Beauty, aka the Mind Catchers channel. And today we're going to be doing a gel polish manicure. So I'm super excited about that. It's been a while since I used a little bit of Madam Glam on this channel. They sent me this in a PR package, so I decided to do a little bit of Halloween nail art with this. Okay, so this shade is very nice. This is a nice nude shade. It is called Creme de la Creme. So it is beautiful. You can see the shade right here on the top. I love that about these bottles. They also sent me a top coat, looks like that. And they also sent the base coat, looks like that. We also have, for stamping fun, I'm going to be using a stamping plate from a brand called Maniology, and the stamping plate number is M056. So just in case you guys were interested, I also have a discount code for Madam Glam and Maniology. So I'll definitely leave that here in the video and in the description box. So in case you want to purchase from either company, you can. All right, so let's get started. The first thing I did was make sure all of the previous nail polish was going for my nails. I am a little dry around the edges, but that's okay. I'm going to use a little alcohol prep pad here, and I'm just going to clean off my nails. I'm going to make sure I don't have any excess oils or anything on my hands. I want this polish to adhere very nice, and I want my my manicure to last a very long time. They guarantee at least 2 weeks. So I can possibly get more than 2 weeks. Let's see. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is apply the base coat. So we're going to apply a nice thin layer of base coat, and we're going to cure it in our UV light. All right, so I'm going to stick my hand underneath the lamp, and I'll be right back. All right, now I'm back. We're going to apply our first coat of Creme de la Creme. All right, guys, so that is your first coat, and honestly, it doesn't look like I need a second, but I think I might do a light second coat. So we're going to go ahead and cure that and come right back. All right, guys, I decided to go over this nail one more time very lightly because I do see a bald spot there. So extremely light. But it doesn't look like you need 2 coats. You just have to be a better painter than I am. Okay, I think that will do it, I think. All right, so we're gonna cure that one and come back. All right, guys, so we're gonna try one of these designs on my ring finger and middle finger. So I think I wanna go with these fun little ghosts right here. So I'm going to apply some of the Maniology stamping polish. This one is called Bam White. So I cover it, then I scrape it, and I pick it up with my stamper. It picked up pretty good. You can see it there. Okay, I know my nails are looking a little busted right now. We haven't cleaned anything up yet, but I just want to show you the stamping. So I'm gonna line it up exactly how I want it to show on the nail, and we're gonna press it on. And I like to roll mine, but that's it. So I'm gonna clean up around the edges, and I'll come back with top coat. All right, guys, so we are finally at the last step. We're gonna be doing this top coat. So a very light, thin coat of top coat. Uh-oh, put a little bit too much. and do your free edge there. I like to. And there you are. And I'm going to do all my fingers. I'll show you one of the ones with the stamp on there. Okay. And we're going to put that underneath the lamp. All right, now that the manicure is pretty much finished, I put my nails underneath the lamp for a while. This is the result. So everything is nice and dry to the touch, but still sticky. So you're going to take an alcohol wipe and you're just going to go over, or some alcohol in a cotton pad, and you're just going to go over the nail very lightly. And it's going to get that sticky film off your nail. And it feels so much smoother underneath. Okay, so like I said, they're very nice and smooth now, each nail. And don't worry, I'm going to do my right hand sooner or later. Not right now, though. All right, guys, I'm going to moisturize my hand. And then I'll be back to show you guys what my hand is looking like if you want to know what I'm using. This is, I bought this in a polish pickup. Black Sea Salt and Orchid Deluxe Cuticle Rescue. And this is from Unicorn Mani. I think it's Unicorn Mani. I'll leave a link for their website down below so you guys can check them out. But they make very nice skincare products. I really, really love it. It smells great. All right, guys. So this is your completed mani. And my little ghost came out so nicely. This is also a beautiful, beautiful fall nail color. Actually, just a nice nude, nice neutral. I really like this. So I'm going to take a beautiful photo of this mani, and that is it. So I really appreciate you guys joining me today. If you have not checked out Madam Glam, there it is again. If you have not checked out Maniology, there it is again. And I'm going to have the link for the Unicorn Mani shop so you can check out some of their nice, like hand care and skincare products. I'll have that down in my description box below. I'll also have discount codes for the majority of the stuff that I use today. And I appreciate you guys once again for watching. So please leave me a thumbs up. And if you have friends and loved ones that love nail polish and nail videos, please share this one with them. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Cyber kisses. Bye.